Yeah. Remember them days when sound system ruled the night. Big speaker box, whole place ignite. From Kingston Yard to worldwide sight. Guilty by Gendah stepping, hold the light. Remember them days. Remember them days. Truth can't hide, it a fi blaze. Remember them days. Remember them days. Foundation strong, we set the way. From Clement Coxon, that build the sound. To do creed make the place shake ground. Prince Buster rebel voice echo loud. Culture rise, straight out a crowd. King Tabby twist the knob, reshape the sound. Lee Scratch Perry plant the roots underground. From speaker box to battleground, that same fire still surround. Pull up, remember them days. Remember them days. Your Roy voice, cut clean pan rhythm track. Big youth and truth, never slack. Dennis Al Capone ride the beat, no turning back. Foundation firm, no crack. From Tennessee, echo through the place. To Garnet Silk, fire, love and grace. Them set the tone, them set the pace. Now me step in a them space. Mikey Dread pon the ear, we have spread the sound. Barry G voice make its resound. From yard to world, no boundary found. Still the roots stay solid ground. This no museum, this no past. Foundation live, it built for last. From them days straight to now, me carry truth, me show them how. Remember them days. Remember them days. From yard to world, we set the ways. Remember them days. Remember them days. Foundation live through all them days. Not just memory, a continuation.